Hello team, welcome to this course. This course is all about DevOps. The course name is Master in DevOps, and in this particular course you will learn about the toolset of DevOps. You will learn about the Docker, Jenkins, Git, GitHub, CI pipeline and Maven. These are the few technologies which we are going to cover in this particular course. So let's see what you will learn in this particular course. So guys, you will learn from very basic to very advanced stuff of the Docker and Docker containerization. You will learn about the Docker Swarn and you will learn about the Docker virtualization and many more stuff. We will learn about the complete from 0 to 100 about the Jenkins and how we can create the CI pipeline using the Jenkins. We will also learn about the version control system which is Git and GitHub, right? After then we will learn about the build tools which is Maven, right? So these are the stuffs and the tool set which we are going to learn in this particular course. Now let's see what are the requirement to enroll this course. So to enroll this course, guys, you don't need to require any prior knowledge of any programming language or DevOps. Okay, all you need to do to a desire of learning new technologies and new process. Okay, you just need to aware of the basic information of the software development process, how the software development is working, what is the current trending technologies in the market, right? Now let's see why this course. So guys, DevOps is the fastest growing technology in the IT market. DevOps engineer are getting the same pay scale as a software developer, which is higher than the software QA or automation engineers. So if you're working as a QA engineer and automation engineer in your organization, then definitely this course can boost your career in the field of DevOps, right? DevOps, as per the current scenario and as per the current market, there are around 1,000 of jobs available on the DevOps, uh, which number is much higher as compared to the automation engineers, right? The objective of this course training is designed to help you become a DevOps engineer. Okay, during this course our expert or DevOps instructors will help you to understand the DevOps ecosystem, learn about the automatic source code management using Git, continuous integration using Jenkins. We will learn and understand the build and test automation, how to build an appropriate delivery pipeline to perform the test automation on it, right? We will learn and understand the containerization of Docker, identify the difference between the containers and the virtual machines. We will also learn about the master commands in the Docker and the use cases using which you can deal with the networking concepts in the Docker and Docker volumes, you can say, and how you can create the Docker files and the Docker images. Okay, this is all we are going to learn. Now let's go through the curriculum of this particular course. Till date, we have 99 lectures and 20 hours long video in this particular course. Guys, this is the longest DevOps course available on the Udemy platform. You will not find any course which have this much of length in DevOps training on the Udemy, right? So let's see what we are learning over here. We are learning about the DevOps processes. We are learning about the version control system like Git and GitHub. After then, we are learning about the advanced stuff in the Git and GitHub. We have already discussing about the common mistakes which people are used to do in the Git and GitHub, right? After then we will see how we can build the complete project lifecycle using the Maven. Then we will come to the Jenkins when we will see the basic of the Jenkins, the setup and configuration of the Jenkins advanced part. Then we will directly move to the Docker. In the Docker, we will move and learn about the Docker setup, installation, creating and using containers. Okay, all about the containers, images, discover, build, create the images, container lifecycle, persistent data, volumes and volume management, and the Docker composer. What is the Docker composer and Docker machine, we will learn about. Then the Docker Swarn, and there's a one missing topic which is called Docker orchestration, right? We will learn about these things in this particular course. Right now I have 99 lectures in this particular course, but I'm expecting around 120 lectures once I complete this particular course, right? If I will get the time and I will get the demand, then definitely I will include the Ansible part in this particular course as well. So thank you guys, thanks for your time. I must say you definitely need to enroll this course if you want to become